Yo, I need people watching the flanks. Spread. Spread.
We just one here. Bulu.
Wait. Spread. Wait. Dilungin. Spread. Kamis. Ready east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. Okay, spread. Come back and spread again. Declamp, guys. Declamp.
Spread them.
Let's spread. Oh my god.
Dilungin.
They get G8.
Nice.
Be
30
careful
seconds.
over the
Walk
wall,
in. 10
Stop
seconds.
first over the wall,
Walk in. Walk in. Ready shallow east. CC them. Walk
Boom,
is ready east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Okay, spread again. Judy on front. Heal on front.
Be careful over the wall, be careful.
Heal front. Okay, spread. Declamp now. They
Gala,
have
Gala looking. Gala coming in.
Declamp.
Gala west.
Heal front, guys. Heal the front. Spread.
Gala,
Hey,
Gala,
you clap
too
your
far.
north. You clap your north. Spread. 5 seconds. No, step up.
Yes, too far.
Step up. Walk in. Ready side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Oh. Okay, spread. Come west. They looking. Spread. Asap looking. Spread. You clapping on north, but you're stopping there.
Don't.
Spread. 16 seconds. Okay, step up. Walking east now.
Second engage.
Walk east now. Giga. Walkies. Ready east on the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ground. On the ground. To the front.
Guys, you guys need to walk in and spread while behind you guys gonna keep getting boom.
Spread. Come west. Spread. Declamp.
Be careful.
Fake.
Careful, bomb squad coming.
Spread. Deal first. Wait for a
Go,
second
go.
engage.
Okay.
Wait. Walkies now.
I'm inside. Wait,
Walkies
there
ready
is one.
east side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ground now. Walkies now. Spread. They have engaged. Spread. Walkies now. Wait. Walkies by me. Hello. Come east, guys.
Keep walking.
10 seconds. Come east. They're stacking too much. Come east.
6 with me, I go deep.
Walkies. CC them east. Ready northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. On the ground.
Be careful, they have engaged.
Spread now. Declamp. They looking. Asap looking. Fake. Wait. Spread. They looking. They gitching.
Heal up. Don't die.
Okay, walkies now. Walkies.
I need ammo them back.
Walking now. We walk into their backline.
I can heal.
Get engaged in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. Walk in. Full walking now.
Be careful. They on the road. Be careful on the road.
Spread them walking.
They split into half.
Walking.
They clumping. Anyone snatch us, they clumping. They try to run. I'm inside them.
Finish the southeast. Finish them.
Six, I'm inside them. Keep
Yo,
walking.
gala. Careful. Gala dead. Nice.
Oh my god, this nigga try to bomb me, yeah. Ping, come, Gucci.
Oh my god. I just say it's true, Bubop. I say it's true. Like if I get 10 engage, I will 100% die, bro. Like I survive one engage, and then the second one I die.
What guy almost was it?
No.
Because what happened earlier is we fucking dying in Northwest, bro. Like they keep bombing us, like we're not working in.
I don't know why people not taking the southwest side.
Yeah, Southeast.
Everyone, a lot stacking on north. Like that's crazy, man.
Because the Gala have space to walk in from south, bro. Because no one there. Gala
We
walking in.
die 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people like on the bomb on the near the wall.
Yeah, near the wall. There.
Hey, it's that time of the day again.
Yo, bro, kidnap, bro.
Bro.
They got. What the fuck is that?
Oh,
Be careful, Yeah, this is
Hey,
kidnap
ready on
play.
the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Bum, bum, bum.
1. Come back now.
Don't stay in the choke, guys. Don't stay in the
Don't
choke.
stay
Niga.
on choke. Don't stay on
Niga,
choke, bro.
I'm not gonna
Someone
go to
got
the choke,
kidnapped.
okay? Yo, Niga, we die. I think Noob Coach gonna die. Noob Coach gonna
Yeah.
die. Fuck. Oh no, Noob Coach. Can you make it back? Can you help him? Can you help Noob Coach? Yo, you wanna
He
engage
took
6?
full again.
Oh,
Ah, Noob
too
Coach.
far, bro. Too far.
Don't
Yo,
stay in the
don't
middle,
go to the,
guys.
you're gonna get kidnapped, guys. Don't look. Don't look. Just stay beside. The bomb gonna hit us, I think. Nice counter kidnap.
Yo, kill that bomb. Kill that nigger. So,
Kill
take
it,
it,
kill it.
Dog. He's a kidnapper, bro. Nice.
Yeah, nice. I think
Minus
we
1
should-
kidnapper. Okay.
Yeah. Yo, we
Hard.
cannot hit, bro. It's so hard. Their bomb gonna hit us here. Be careful. Yo, we clamping both sides.
We just need to rely on
Yo,
the
guys,
Look at them, bro. They have two
keeper,
Christian.
ready
They,
to Gadrun on the.
they play dirty this time, bro. I don't understand.
Paper wailing.
Ready to Gadrun, guys.
What the
Hey,
fuck?
go back. Hey.
Don't get kidnapped like this.
Hey, look at this side. Inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nemo. Oh, nigger.
Dog.
Come back.
They play dirty today, bro. Fucking.
I don't complain, bro. Just fucking play. Let our people do their job.
Don't stay in the middle, guys. Don't stay
Yeah,
in the
you're
middle.
gonna get kidnapped. Don't
on
look
you.
at the middle, nigga. Careful.
Hey guys, don't stuck on me, bro. Don't stuck. They can still hit you over the wall, bro.
Spread more.
Where's the
Yo,
rainbow?
inside. Get that guy. Good
Yeah,
guy.
it's only kidnap gameplay.
Six.
Yo,
Can you do one deep engage? You send me and Akira in.
What the fuck?
that's
No,
gonna
right,
be
it's gonna
that's gonna
You
be
wanna try
risky.
that?
Because
I can geek for and go in. I can bait. I can go in.
No, you send your D tanks in.
I just
They go-
press, I just press.
too risky,
Oh,
too
so-
risky.
Pull
bro.
it up.
No? Okay, no. Come back. No. Not yet. They're pulling out. Be careful. I don't know where they're going.
No. Don't walk in.
Don't.
Guys,
Nigga.
don't stay in the middle. They're gonna bait you. They
Oh
bait
my
you.
god, nigga.
Come back.
These guys, bro.
Oh my god, you guys literally walking in and
They change. They're
Come
pushing.
southeast.
don't wanna follow.
They're just kiting.
Nice as they kill. But don't die.
Can we
Clear
kill
them up.
Come southeast. We do quick engage northeast. Quick engage northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick engage northeast. Quick engage.
Okay, ready defend. Pull up.
Come back now. Move
QW
back.
the mob, nigga, the mob killing.
Guys, in front. Help your
Come
front.
back.
QW the mob, kill the mob, please.
Right, guys, they're gonna kidnap you.
This
Come back.
so much wider.
Kill the mobs. This fucking shit joke.
It's hot,
Bump on
bro.
this, bump on this.
Yo, 6, you wanna go and tell me?
Wait. Let me look first.
I will geek and go in. I can literally wait for you.
Step up na.
So Wendy, you too far.
Step up, walking. Pass through already. Pass through.
Okay, they're looking here.
Spread. I think I see MB, bro. Spread.
No, it's
Wait,
assassin.
hold. Ready shallow west. Wait. Asap looking. Spread.
I hope Sasa, Baba,
Wait. They looking. Wait. Look at Asap in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On Asap now.
Heal up, bomb stop dropping, heal up.
Shooting inside. Spread.
You can walk into them.
Wait. Careful on the north, bro. Careful. Wait. Spread. Yo,
Your front.
Still 6.
I die.
Oh shit.
Spread. Looking west side. Southwest fall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest fall.
Big, pull big.
Spread. Okay, come back. Kamis now. Come southeast now.
Careful, Asap,
Pull southeast.
Don't loot. You guys clamping.
Pull southeast. Kill inside.
You guys clamping, looting.
Ay.
Don't die. Oh, 6.
Heal. Full southeast already. What the fuck you waiting for, Negro? Look west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Okay, come back now.
Come back. Don't loot. They're
Guys, in front.
gonna
Guys, in
Come back.
front.
Judy. Come back.
They're gonna hit. They're gonna counter cleric.
Come back. More southeast.
They hit.
Kill south. Hill northwest. Ay.
Don't
Hill
loot,
northwest. Look west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now, 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 west now. Boy, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Gala inside, gala inside, gala. Spread.
Gajan.
Spread. Asap looking. Wait.
Not yet. They don't wanna do
No, keep healing.
Wait. Look.
They gonna hit.
Look west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West on the 3. Where's our defense? Hello?
Too many
Come back.
fucking,
6, you
Come back,
need
please,
to hold
come
your
back,
engage a little bit. Cool down. We Grim Breaker still cool down. You hit like 28 seconds. Nigga.
Come back. Silver.
You need to engage 30 seconds. You engage too fast.
Come on. Spread.
Be careful. Yeah,
Look
bombs
northwest,
ready.
look north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now, guys. Northwest now. Hit this.
Big.
Spread, okay, come now. Southeast, spread now. Spread. East side. What you flanking, bro? Spread.
Be careful. Nice control. They have cool down. They still cool down.
Spread. Come more south. Wait.
It's gonna be hit,
Wait. Look northwest, ha. Wait. Hold.
I'm inside.
Wait. 5. Northwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest of the 3 now. Northwest of the 3
guys. Where's
Kill
the
up.
Come back. Judy inside.
They're gonna hit soon.
Judy inside. Spread.
Asap tail fire. Asap gonna shallow.
Spread.
Oh my God, heal up.
Come north. Walk north. QW north.
Bomb, in front of you.
Ready on the bomb in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northbound. Kill the north. Okay, spread now. Come south. Spread now. Come south.
We're pulling back.
Where the fuck are you going? Come south.
Pull back.
Come spread. Come southwest, ready on the crowd.
Asap looking.
Find me. South. Hello.
Asap. Hit your back line.
South in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Southwest
Oh my
now.
God.
Kite southwest. Come west. Come southwest. Move, guys. Move.
Pull back. We're
Hello.
pulling back.
Move
David,
back
David,
already.
come
Move.
back.
Just move. Pass through. Yo, depende.
Oh my
Kill
God,
the CL.
walkie.
Kill the CL. Hold the choke. Hold. Hold the choke. Kill the CL inside. Stabilize first.
Heal your front. Okay, nice.
Do you still have
Stabilize. Come back. Come back.
They kidnap Annie, bro.
Yo, you want to engage? I can help.
Ready shallow northeast, ha? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast. Come back now. I trap
Pull
you.
back. Don't stay on the truck. They're gonna hit.
Come back.
I need ammo. Come back.
So slow lang. Come back.
David.
Oh, fuck, I got kidnapped to the back line.
You
Come
night
back.
armor too deep, David.
Ah, fucking dog.
I said come back. Don't fucking night armor so long, bro. Come back.
David die.
Nice.
You night armor in front them.
No, I got pushed back by enemy, not
Yo,
ammo.
kill the Hodge behind. Yo, they try to hit us. Kill the Hodge.
Not yet.
Hodge inside.
You wanna kill Asap?
Wait. No. Come back. Look at Sammy. Kidnap Sammy. No. Come back.
Oh my God, they got so many gut rune and firewall.
Come back. Careful. They have kidnap, bro.
Yeah, he's still on cooldown. Fine, you pull back.
Yo, kill that guy inside. After cleric. 3, 2, 1. QW.
You gonna shallow? Be careful. No.
Come back.
It's hard to regain.
I try to buy time for Riga.
Bridle, ah.
Yeah. You guys shallow engage and you guys just walk back, bro. Don't full push.
Di spamming or drone na.
Oh, I
We
think
do
someone.
quick, ready, do quick engage northeast. Wait, step up, ready, quick engage northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, quick engage. Okay, come back now.
GA, we got GA, we got GA.
Come back now.
Pull
Don't hold
back,
the
pull back.
choke. Come back.
Pull
Just
back,
pull
pull back,
back. Just pull back. Okay, nice. Quick engage again, artist. Wait. Ready, guard rune, We're gonna do quick engage. Wait.
Asa still looking. Don't. He gonna counter. Asa, they looking on the north side, you know, they stacking on north. It's not possible, they have got rune there, it's hard to, I had
Yeah,
to hold
okay.
you.
He
Can
gonna
hit.
push to engage.
No, full push, we're gonna die, we're gonna get hit and die. We don't have,
Kill
we
the
have less.
kill the tank.
Asa not in my screen, I think be careful in my flank.
If we can plan, we can swap position, bro.
No, he's not in my screen now.
He's going to the north side. North.
Counter kiss.
They mounting up. Yo, I can kidnap some. Ah, fuck, they sprinting, they literally sprinting.
Come west.
They're pulling back. They mounting, they pulling
Yo,
back.
come southeast. Move.
Clean.
Move. Look at Asa. Wait, kamay. Yo. Cleanse the choke.
You can.
Come southwest. Look inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast now. Okay, come back. Dipin na.
Asa hit already.
Come back. Pull back. Judy in front. Come back.
Wolf,
Come
nice.
back. Keep choke.
Come back.
Come back.
Asa hit already just now, same time.
Come back.
Oh, miss Pearson. Fuck.
You know the southeast of the bridge, bro. I'm gonna try to hit that. Wait, bomb. Put the bomb in 3, 2, 1, bomb now.
I
Northeast, bomb.
I pull one. Can you kill?
Come back.
Be careful.
Dipin. Come back. Heal,
Like
choke,
all.
heal.
Heal.
Oh my god, bro.
Ready northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the northeast now.
Oh, we get bomb.
Come back.
So hard, bro.
We don't have golem now, bro. How long cooldown, bro? It's kinda mess up. Party 1, no DPS left, only 2.
I'm gonna wait 10 seconds.
Party 2, any DPS? Oh my god, they already passed through, bro.
Yo, look, we're gonna hit the choke. I'll hit the choke. Ready on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Hit the choke.
Heal up, they're gonna full
Don't let
push us.
them push. Hit the choke. Hey, hello. Push them out. Hello.
We broke already,
Push them
nigga.
out. Push them.
No, we broke already.
Okay.
It's literally spread like fuck. I think there's only way is like you just full push northeast, bro. Like just locus and walk through.
I mean, gear so fast.
Don't heal me. You cannot go if you heal me.
Just run away, boy.
Tagi, bro.
What are you
Mia
doing?
already here, bro. Like the fight is done, Mia still here, just here, bro.
No, mount up, nigga. Don't die like this. There's a lot walkie here.
Yeah, like
Run,
this, like,
make your way
kinda-
out, run.
Wait, route 3?
Nah, they really big, bro. It's hard.
Oh my god, you guys get snatched up. Don't hit. Try to zone out. Don't hit. Okay, don't hit. Potion if you have. Potion if you have.
Round 3 ba third?
No round 2 rin.
Wala na? Nice na?
GG.
Nice fight though.
Not really.
Way too far to be gear, bro.
Yeah.
Someone the gear, but already done.
My god, they full engage on me, bro.
It is what it is. Leave this guys.
No,
It's fine.
nigga.
Round 1 easy win. Round 2 they the gear fast also.
Because
Round
we
2, You know,
cross the street,
actually round through is kind